Thank you so much to the brand for sending over the supplements to me. Supplements are a big part of my daily routine, so I always love checking out new supplements, trying them out, and just taking them to see what they can do for the body. So I'm not new to Shilajit, so if you are new to that, definitely go research what it can do for you. So I already incorporate this into my daily routine. So this brand particularly likes to combine a lot of different ingredients, which is pretty cool because if you're taking other supplements, you can get different ingredients already within one bottle. So this has Shilajit, Ashwagandha, Tongkat, some of them, I don't know what these are, I'm going to be honest, but I would research them to figure out what they can do for you and if that's something you want to incorporate. Turkesterone and maca root. So maca root and Shilajit I'm very familiar with. I take them both separately on their own already. So pretty cool that it combines two of those already in here. So you're just supposed to take 2 capsules a day with food, and there's 30 servings in here. So obviously 60 capsules come in the bottle. It comes in this nice, it comes in this nice black bottle. Helps you stand out like the Shilajit usually when you get it, if you've ever taken it in a powder form or a liquid form, it's usually like in black in color, so that can help you remember what this bottle is. So pretty easy. They smell at first nothing crazy, but it does have just like an herbal smell, if you will. And they're vegetarian capsules, which I love. And then they're just a normal size capsule, easy to go down. And again, they just smell like herbs, green herbs. So 2 pills a day, pretty easy, nice bottle. Incorporates more than just one type of vitamin or supplement, if you will. So you're potentially getting some extra benefits. Obvious research on your own, those different kind of ingredients, but obviously on the back, it lists them and how much of each. So you are getting the Shilajit 800 milligrams of organic black Shilajit. Oh, I love it. It's organic, even better. And the same with organic Ashwagandha, 250 milligrams. And then there's the 3 other ingredients. Maca root extract, 50 milligrams, the Ashwagandha extract for 50 milligrams, and I'm probably messing up the pronunciation here of these 2 ingredients, I don't know them, and Tongkat 200-to-1 extract for 100 milligrams. So definitely go check it out. I love that it has a few different things into one. I can't speak long-term yet because I haven't been taking this long-term, but I have taken Shilajit long-term, so definitely something to check out.